Hi, I'm Anne, Senior Research Manager at Radio Flyer. Today I'm going to walk you through the Coast Luxe folding stroller trike. This Grow With Me trike is great to use anywhere that you would use a compact stroller. It folds just as compactly, it has tons of comfort features, but it's way more fun, so you're sure to get years of use out of it. This stroller trike has tons of great comfort features for both you and your rider. So starting here in the back with the parent push handle, this has a nice vegan leather grip and also telescopes up and down to accommodate different heights. Then we have a nice storage basket here in the back with an extra zippered pocket for smaller items, 2 cup holders in the back, a padded seat that also can recline back, padding on the safety hoop, which also is vegan leather, a cup holder here in the front, and footrest for little feet. Like all Radio Flyer products, this trike was designed with safety top of mind. In the back here, we have a one-touch parking brake that you can just activate and unlock with one foot, 5-point harnesses with shoulder pads, and a UV protective canopy. This trike has 4 stages, so it can go from parent-powered strolls to independent pedaling. It's perfect for kids ages 6 months to 3 years. Let's walk through the stages. In stage 1, everything is on the trike. You can control the trike by steering from back here, which also controls the front wheel. Their little feet can rest on the footrests, and you can also disconnect the child handlebar from the front wheel so that they can pretend like they're steering while you're really doing all the work. For stage 2, you remove the wraparound safety bar. Stage 3 is perfect for when your little one is actually learning to pedal. So I've removed the canopy here, which you don't have to do, you could keep it on if you wanted, folded up the footrest, and added the pedals to the front wheel. If your little one gets tired of trying to pedal halfway through your adventure, just push this button on the front wheel, which disconnects the pedals from the spinning of the wheel. So you can use it like a footrest while you push. Stage 4 is for when they are fully pedaling on their own. All we're going to do here is remove the parent push handle. So telescope this down, pull out the pin, and pop this off. This is the most compact folding stroller trike out there, and it's super easy to fold. Let me show you how. So to start, we're going to take off the parent push handle, telescope it down, pull out this pin, and take it off. Next, we're going to fold back the canopy. And then we'll fold up the wraparound safety bar. I'm going to take off the cup holder, use these 2 buttons here to squeeze and push down this handlebar. There's a button on the back of the seat that you squeeze and push forward. It's for the seat to fold down. And then here, I'm going to push and squeeze. And everything folds together nice and tight and compactly. If you want it to get even smaller, you can take off the front wheel to get ultra compact. This version also comes with a premium storage bag. Everything fits inside. It has a nice handle on the top for easy carrying, a pass-through strap on the back so you could put it over the handlebars of a roller suitcase, and backpack straps. It's also compact enough to fit in the overhead compartment of an airplane.